Hi, my name's Emily, and I'm going to show you how to wire and solder the sensor. First, for some safety tips, I would recommend wearing some safety glasses. And when you solder, you want to make sure you're holding your soldering pen like a pencil, and to make sure that you're not touching this metal part here so that you don't burn yourself. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to take the Adafruit feather and we're going to attach it to the feather wing. So what we've already done is we've soldered the headers onto the pins here for the feather. So now all we're going to do is place them on top of each other. So we have the battery pointing down. And we're going to just click those in, and then we're going to solder all of these pins together for contact. So again, I'm going to hold this like a pen, and I'm going to take this solder. I have a little bit in my hands here. I don't want to hold it too closely or else I'll burn myself. We don't want that. So now I'm going to take a contact and just hold it until it melts here, and then we have a connection here. Alright, and now we should have a strong contact, and both these devices should be connected just fine.